everybody. It's beautiful. Glad I brought my sunglasses and my sunblock. Where are we? We have now officially traveled
1 full mile.
1 full mile on the Appalachian Trail. Believe it or not, all the other videos you saw was us getting to here. And what's crazy is you can take a shuttle driver, will bring you right up there and drop you off here. And then what you would do is you'd have to walk back up to Springer Mountain, turn around, walk back here. But that would only be about 2 miles. We chose the 8+ miles up the falls. Last night it was rainy and foggy. Our visibility is about, well, maybe this is great visibility if that gives you any idea. So hopefully we're doing about 8 miles. What else do we need to tell them?
Nothing more right now except for don't let anything stop you.
Yeah, what's that mean? Like 2,189 miles left? I don't know. Yeah, good day. We had a good night. We're damp and we're happy that it's not snowing. Yeah, this is what it's all about. Actually, Shorty's way up there, and we had about 5 seconds of sun, but it's real pretty. Look at down there. See the stream? We've been walking beside it, and now we're walking on a stream for about the last mile or so. Hi, Jan.
Hi.
Hey. I wonder if anybody can hear us. This is Long Creek Falls. And thanks to the heavy rain, it's just beautiful. It's a little ways off the marked AT, but we figured it was worth the hike in. But I don't figure we get a chance to be in here very often.